Evening, YouTube and Pyro Nation. How's everybody doing? I'm doing a quick demo here tonight. Got 4 of these jump shots. These are leftovers from a couple years ago. I had them all on a board. They didn't all go off together, so I'm going to try that again. Try to get 4 of them to go off at the same time. See if that works. Got this little spinner here. This thing is, I think they call them dancing daisies. And call them dancing daisies, and these are by T&T. These were out in 2010. There's one of them buy 6 for $1 kind of thing at the grocery stores. Then I got one left, gonna get rid of that. Then I got another $1 deal from the grocery store. This is the T&T fountain short stack. Let that off, get rid of it. Then last but not least, I got one from Phantom. This is the Dragon Slayer. I'll light that up, see what that one there does. I know it's got crackle and let's see here, white chrysanthemum with blue, silver sparkling with green, golden crackling with lemon, and magic chrysanthemum with red stars at the end. So that sounds like it might not be too bad. So let's go out here and hopefully this here will work. Yeah, sort of worked pretty good. Alright. And we're going to do, we'll try this dancing daisy out. See if this thing here works. Yeah, that thing moved pretty good. Kind of like a little rosebud. The green, yellow, and blue flames on it. Do the short stack.
What is that?
Little fountain. Yeah, they more or less all do the same thing.
Oh, watch out, why don't they spin? Do they spin?
No, not these.
Stand back.
Alright. Can you do the ones that do colors? These do. They should anyway. Yeah, there's some purple. And that was short stack. Alright, so now we're going to do the old Dragon Slayer.
Can you do the turtle ones?
Turtle?
Yeah.
What?
Ones, the red and blue and green. Huh?
Oh, I'm not doing any of those right now.
Hey, Anthony. Oh, look, it's a big one. It's a big one.
And we got some green. Got some lemon color. And we got some red. And that ought to do it. Hope you all like that. Anyway, y'all have a good weekend. Adios, vatos.